name is Don Bundock, and I was born in Lubbock, Texas. I'm an instructor in the Civil, Environmental, and Construction Engineering Department here at Texas Tech University in Lubbock. Graduated from Texas Tech in Industrial Engineering in 1969. I went from slide rule to key punch, and then computers were just coming on as I was graduating. I'll never forget a professor walking across the stage, and this was a long time ago, saying, one of these days computers are going to be talking to one another all over the world. And everybody's going, are you kidding? I was always interested in advancing technology, and that continues to this day. 7 years ago, I was asked to teach one course, and I agreed to teach one, and here I am this semester, 4 courses, 97 students. And this has been wonderfully enlightening for me, and I think gratifying for the students. I try to get the most current thing that is happening, make them download it, use it for an application. One of the examples that I've discovered is Bluebeam. They've certainly been mentioned by just about every contractor that I've interviewed here. I have a set of construction plans of a job that was just built and have them do some interactive things on it so they just see the capability of it.
My name is Maria White. I'm a senior graduating in August with a major in construction and engineering. When working with the real estate development company, it was growing very rapidly, and when I got hired, a project manager also got hired. So it was them two doing all the traveling, me kind of holding down the fort. And so with that, obviously there was a lot of collaboration that was being needed, but it wasn't an in-person collaboration. What the way we were doing pay applications is he would email me, I'd print them, everything was hard copy, and then carry this massive file of pay applications. That was not efficient, so we had to find a solution, and I was like, well, why don't we use Bluebeam? We created his signature on there, and everything was just very easily accessed from anyone. Even though I was an intern, it left a lasting image and impact on the way that the company runs things now when it comes to pay applications.
I'm a construction management major from the Rawls College, studying with a minor in construction engineering. In my internship, I'm kind of viewed as a project engineer because I've been there for so long. My VP was going over different stuff, and one of the cool things I like about Bluebeam is that it has that search function, and he didn't know about that. And so he was asking different things on how do I find this if I'm looking at 3,000 pages. And I said, just use the search function. He's like, what do you mean? And I'm like, all you gotta do is go to the search function and it goes through all 3,000 pages in less than a minute. I mean, it's how simple is that? And he didn't know about that. So, and I learned that in Professor Bundock's class through having Bluebeam available to me.
We have a job fair here at Texas Tech that is phenomenal. We had 260 companies come here last fall. Students go around, and when they present their resumes and they see the software we're teaching, those companies say, internship, we want to talk to you, come this way. So that's what we want to see happening, where our students are getting credit for what they're doing, and they are getting it. They're getting jobs, 4 and 5 offers each.
I intern currently for Lee Lewis, and the VP a couple months after our interview said, I was very impressed that you had all of those certifications right when you handed me your paper at the job fair.
So with technology these days, a lot of these projects are able to be done at home. The neat thing about Bluebeam is that you can edit any file as long as it's a PDF. You're able to open it on Bluebeam and work on it at home or across the country, anywhere, really, which enhances teamwork and more collaboration.
Most of my internships, that's mostly what we do every day. Just use Bluebeam all the time to sign documents or read documents, but also just read plans that we got from subcontractors.
The suppliers of these softwares are very excited about what we're doing here at Texas Tech. I don't know that's happening anywhere else in the United States. We feel like we're going to lead the way, and I think we're setting the bar high. People are going to have to jump to get ahead of us here at Texas Tech.